discussing density of gases. Now, density, as you know, is going to be the mass of a substance divided by its volume. For liquids and gases, this tends to be given in units of grams per milliliter. Gases are much less dense, and for gases, a much more convenient unit is grams per liter. So we're going to practice calculating density of gases, and our answers are going to be expressed in grams per liter. One strategy of calculating the density of gases is to calculate the mass of 1 mole, which is our formula weight, and divide that by the volume of 1 mole at those given conditions. One strategy is to memorize this equation. One strategy is to memorize this expression, and that works great, but occasionally your memory will fail, so we should be able to also derive this expression. However, as you'll see, it's relatively easy. We start with simply what we want to calculate. We want to have the mass of 1 mole divided by the volume of 1 mole. The mass of 1 mole is given by the formula weight. Okay, and note here the expressions of molecular weight and formula weight are used interchangeably, simply meaning the mass of 1 mole. Now we divide by the volume of 1 mole. Let's start with the ideal gas law. And we know we're calculating for volume. So our volume is nRT divided by P. And if we take for 1 mole of a gas, that N is equal to 1, this comes down to RT divided by P. Again, this is equal to V, so 1 over V, so we divide by volume, that's going to equal to P divided by RT. So if we substitute this into our density expression, we have RT times P, we get to our density calculation. We have pressure multiplied by our formula weight divided by R and T is going to equal our density. So if we happen to forget what this expression is, we can take a minute and derive it for ourselves.